Springboard Collaborative is partnering with your child's school to host a reading program. An important part of this program is the Family Workshop. So what exactly is a Family Workshop? How does it work? Let's take a closer look at a Springboard Collaborative Family Workshop so you know what you can expect when you attend. We know that when teachers and families work together, children succeed. That's why every family workshop brings together students, teachers, and families to develop the habits and skills that will help your child become a better reader. These workshops are held both in person and virtually, so be sure to check with your child's program leader to see what's available at your Springboard site. At the start of every family workshop, the teacher will begin with a welcome. They'll make sure that you have all the resources and tools that you need to have a successful workshop experience. They might even start with a fun question or a game. Once everyone has arrived, your teacher will share a reading tip. This reading tip will be the focus of the workshop, so be sure to pay close attention as they model the tip and show you how to guide your child through the exercise. You'll learn tips that help your child develop reading skills such as figuring out tricky words, understanding stories, and reading aloud like a storyteller. Then it's time to practice. You and your child will try out the tip right there in the family workshops with the support of your teacher. You'll have the chance to practice these new skills that you've learned, all while getting the opportunity to ask your teacher questions and get real-time feedback. They'll be there to support you every step of the way, providing personalized advice for you and your child. Practice time during family workshops is the perfect opportunity to check in with your teacher on your child's progress. It's also fun. Practicing during the family workshops creates time to work with your child and make new memories learning together. It's also a wonderful time to work with other families, collaborating and growing with one another as you build a learning community together. Each family workshop will end with a reflection. Your teacher will make time to get your feedback and answer any questions that you have before you go. You'll also take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and how you'll incorporate the skills you just learned when practicing at home with your child. As you continue to attend family workshops and use the reading tips you learned, your reading at home will become much more enjoyable. Your child will begin to read more difficult books with greater confidence. Speaking of books, you need resources to practice the reading tips. So you will have access to an online library filled with thousands of books to help you keep practicing. Family workshops are a great way to build a strong reading foundation for your child. They'll also provide you with critical tools and resources to be an effective at-home reading coach for your child. The best part? They're free for the family and fun for everyone. And don't worry, if you ever miss a workshop, there will be plenty of makeup opportunities to get you and your child back on track. Your program leader or teacher has all the information about where and when family workshops start. We'll see you there!